Hello. I think you gotta hold the camera like this. But but this camera here, I got a Panasonic G7. Look at this. Look at my setup, honey. Ooh, I'll use that too, honey. And I just don't mind that the cat and dog did that. But I got my little setup here, and the camera. I'm not gonna touch it. When you see something working, don't touch it. But it kept stopping, and I couldn't find a video of anybody making or why the shit keeps stopping. And I think every camera like this, any type of DSLR, if it keeps stopping. And so this is why I kept it up in the closet, because it kept stopping. Look at, honey, it is going at 2 minutes. It would stop, it wouldn't go past 30 seconds. You see what I'm saying? So I got the solution. Solution. Right here on this little dialer, I had it on 4K. First, what I did was I went into the menu. See that little menu button right there? I went into the menu and I dropped it down because they said 4K is a little strong for this particular camera. Remember, this camera came out about 3 years ago. It ain't that old, and you can very much use it because it got 4K function on it. But I dropped that down from there, and it still was doing the same thing. So I was just calling on the Lord, honey, and then also I was Googling. The Lord will give you the solution. Yeah, I started Googling, and then it was kind of funny. This little mic fell because it's not like attached to that, but it's like it's halfway there, and it fell. Like, oh Lord, and the Lord gave me the answer, and I seen 4K there. So what I did was adjust it to that little slot right there. Let me go and point to it. You see where it is right now. It was on 4K before, and I went down to the dial under 4K, and lo and behold, it is working in the mighty name of Jesus. God did it. He done made that fall on purpose, so I can see that right there. Make the adjustment, and now the camera is working, honey. Oh, my dreamers, we about to get it in, honey, because that's the reason why I stopped doing the green screen, because the camera wasn't working, and it was just a simple solution. Oh my goodness. See, you know what's weird? Google algorithm, just like my Pro Tools up in there. I got my studio up in the living room over there. You know, this is the bedroom / the studio right here. And honey, yes, God, we got many plans. You see, and I'm change that chair and put something over it, cause cat he likes to sleep on it, but it's okay. We working with what we got, and YouTube. I'm sorry, Google and YouTube don't have that fix, so I went ahead and put that fix for you, dreamers, because I love you. Ooh, it's going 4 minutes in. I would have been complete with the damn video. Yes, God. So this is the solution. Go ahead and just put the little slot to anywhere other than 4K, because I received at least from the YouTube, one guy right there, he said that it takes a lot and everything. So I figured that, you know, doing that would be the solution. And look at the solution. Yes, God. So you know me, I'm Aaron Fantasy. I always come out with little tips and tricks for you. Let me start shooting these videos because I love you guys. Peace.